Hey guys, hello all. I hope all are doing great today. Welcome back here. So we are here in Hazrat Nizamuddin railway station. This afternoon we will be traveling to Agra. Mega love shout out to all of you silent viewers, friends and subscribers. Thank you very much for stopping by. I appreciate it very much. So tambay lang ako dito habang nag-aantay ng oras ng biyahe. I'm just waiting for our travel time schedule. Hazrat Nizamuddin is one of the main train station here in New Delhi, especially for long distance travel. They also have air-conditioned room for resting for a small cost while waiting, or can just stay in an open air also. Because especially for summer, it's very hot. So if you want to stay in the air conditioning room, you can stay with a small cost. Alright, so we are here now inside the train, and the first thing that I look for is the comfort room or toilet. So as soon as I opened the heavy door, I got frightened when I saw this officer with that carrying that long thing. So nagulat ako at kinausapan niya ako at hindi ko naman maintindihan yung mga salita nila. Anyway, umuurong tuloy ang aking ihi. Sino ba nang hindi matakot? Bakit nandyan ka, sir? They are here to secure the area anyway. Mahirap na ensure the safety of the railway station and the trains. Alright, so we just started exactly at the time schedule and we'll reach to Agra in 2 hours time. So makikita nyo ang daming mga pasahirong naghahantay ng kanilang schedule ng train. Okay, so there are plenty of people waiting for their schedule. Ayan, okay. So now we are here in the hallway. And in this area, roughly about 10 to 15 cubicles. And each cubicle were good for 4 people. They also have a cubicle good for 2 people. So I'm going to show you the toilet. They have 2 types of toilet here. They have European style and they also have squat style. So I'm showing you the first AC toilet. I do not know about the other category because they have second AC, third AC, and normal setting as well. So we are taking Rajthani Express Train. So I'm only talking about this particular train. The other service train may have different features as well. So hindi sila pareho. Alright, so this train usually serves long distance. So for people do not want to take flight, will choose to take train. Maybe they may feel safety if they take train. So it's good to take train actually. You can relax. Okay, so these people you've seen here are the staff of Rajthani Express Train. So what they do, in which I'm also a little amazed of the little gesture to welcome passengers. So what they do is they enter into each cubicle and offer flower or a stock of rose to each passenger. So a small gesture, a small welcome gesture will become big surprise to those passengers who are new or first time taking first AC Rajthani Express train services. So just like this. Ayan. So just like that, they will give a stock of flower and they also take pictures. So again, I'm only talking about this particular Rajthani Express train services, and this only an experience, our experience of this first AC train. So I do not know about second AC or third AC, whether the services will be the same. So that's I do not know. So I'm talking about what my experience here. So parang VIP treatment ba? Parang ganon. I don't know. Maybe it is. So it really give a big smile to the passengers, especially to the new passengers, because they receive a flower, and of course you have to smile because video taking is there, photo taking is there. Anyway, maybe for their remembrance, because they're not giving us a copy as anyway for that photo or video. So it was a good experience as for me as a new passengers taking this Rajthani Express Train. As for me, I feel it is a good experience, and I appreciate the effort that the staff are doing, giving flower to their passengers. So that was the service for first EC. So I don't know whether it will be the same for second EC or third EC. So that is we don't know. So I'm only talking about the first EC services for this Rajthani Express Train. So although it is quite costly for a 2 hours journey, because we don't need the bed actually, because for 2 hours we won't be able to sleep for 2 hours actually, but that is the service that they provide. So we just want to try it, and for the next time maybe we can try second AC, third AC. So see about it. All right, so this is what my experience in this train journey, guys. So I just want to share to you my experience taking train here in India. So mega love shout out to all of you guys watching right now. Thank you very much for stopping by. Thank you very much for watching this train journey. So actually I was thinking to shout out your names, your channel names, but my concern is that if I mention your channel names and happen that you are watching and I did not mention your channel names, or you did not hear your channel name, so to me it's like unfair. So I do not want to disappoint my subscribers unless you comment and request to shout out your names, then I will do so. Alright guys, so mega love shout out to all of you. Mega love shout out to all of you na lang. Okay? So para pareho lahat, kasi ang dami kasi ninyo. Super many of you to shout out your names. Alright, so if you are new to this channel and you're watching right now, you are very much welcome. So if you like this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell button so that you will be updated on our new video uploads. Alright, so what I'm showing you right now here is the speed, the run speed of this train. So we'll just tasting how fast is this train. Okay, so it is fluctuating. Sometimes it will become 128 kilometers per hour or 126 kilometers per hour. It will be fluctuate, but it is quite fast because this is an express train. So within 2 hours we will reach to Agra. So in Agra there are good places to visit. I'm going to show you and tour you, my friend. So if you do not want to miss those beautiful places uploads in my channel, places in Agra, India, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Push nyo na ang subscribe button and the notification bell button, and click all so that you will be updated to all my video uploads. So don't forget, friends. Alright, and thank you very much to all my friends and subscribers, silent viewers, who are always there to support my channel, watch my videos. Thank you so much to all of you. And in the same way, I also will visit your channel. Thank you very much for your support. Thanks a lot. Without you, my channel will not grow this far. So thank you so much to all of you. Alright, so now we were served with snacks. So over here we have snacks. So in the middle of the train journey, so we have these snacks. So that is why a little bit costly for this first AC travel, because they are serving snacks. Alright, so here they serve us sandwiches. They also have these crunchy snacks. It is actually tasty, these snacks. They have these nuts and packed, and they have cookies also. And the main one that I'm looking for is actually the tea. Ayan. So andyan na. Sa wakas, makainom na ako ng tsaa. So, umiinom ng tsaa habang tumatakbo ang tren. Ayan guys. Cheers! Cheers to all of you, my friends! So, this is just our first experience here in this Rajthani Express Train. So, our first experience in the first AC. So, maybe next time we will try second AC or third AC as well, or even normal one. Actually, I have tried normal one already. There's no such kind of services. So you don't expect. Okay, makikita niyo ako dito. Murag lata na ko kayo. Kaya nagbiyahe-biyahe mi sa morning. So, asa-asa kami pumupunta. Ayan. Ayun! Si Inday MD. Lata nag-usap pa, murag kanding. Okay, so this is the look of the inside cubicle. So, good for 4 people. So, ayan. Up and down. You can sleep if you want to. Alright, so we are nearly close to Agra railway station. So next time guys, I'm gonna upload anything about this Agra. So please come and watch my video. So thank you very much. We are here already. Thank you very much for watching. See you again.